Guangzhou Shengpin Technology Co Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in EV chargers and charging accessories. We provide a comprehensive solution for the charging and the operation of electrical vehicles, offering a seamless experience for new energy car owners. Shengpin had a more than 8,000 square meter factory in Shenzhen, with an excellent team of 300 members comprising experts in R&D, sales, installation, and operation management. With their detection and expertise, we consistently deliver cutting-edge technology and good quality products to our valued customers. As a forward-thinking company, we understand the importance of sustainable energy and its role in shaping the future of transportation. Our new energy charging stations are designed to meet the growing demands of electric vehicles, providing reliable and efficient charging solutions for both private and public applications. We strive for excellence in all aspects, and customer satisfaction is our top priority. We are dedicated to fostering long-term partnerships with our clients, providing them with reliable products and exceptional service. Welcome to explore our website and learn more about our innovative solutions.